What is up, you guys? J-Man here, and I am with... Yeah, he broke it. So he's going to his old channel again. Make sure to subscribe. Make an MBLM Mobile 18 video when he can. Okay, so... Oh, good job, Connor. Put it back up, please. Oh, that's blinding me. So our team is the exact same. We have 4 packs to open up. So...
You already made a video on this?
Yep.
Is this episode 30?
Yep. Okay, so let's see who we get in this. Okay, yeah, we don't need that. Connor is gonna open up this pack, so let's see what he gets.
What do I get in this?
I don't know.
Bronze?
Probably. We're in Connor's room right now because I don't feel like being gone in my room right now. Daniel flies.
I knew it. I knew we were gonna get a...
You open it. Open up the pro pack.
Okay.
There's a chance you might get an update team.
Okay.
Yes! Update team. So, thank you, Connor.
Go, bro.
Now let's go to the pro pack. Can we get an elite? Connor, do you think we're going to get an elite?
I think.
I've got
How
3.
much cards are in this?
3.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Oh.
Yeah,
We don't get an elite, but we can upgrade a player. And that's going to be... Should we upgrade Carmelo Anthony?
Yeah, sure. Use all your bronze on hand.
I could use all of those people.
Are you serious?
No, we need to upgrade different players. So, train player. Apply training. There we go. 81 overall. And let's see my other elite. Well, I thought my Carmelo Anthony was at 84. Okay, train player. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
8 Mbappe can count.
Okay, so let's do some XP thing. You know what, Connor? You need to be level 11 and 75 overall to unlock the auction house. Yep. That's why I keep on buying pro packs. I got so good, so much.
Wait, 35 overall what?
Team.
Yours is a 70 overall. So
Mine's 72.
oh, I thought that it's in my team.
No, it's that one up here. Oh, and of course. Okay, we'll be back in a sec. Okay, so we're back, so let's do some XP shoot around, right, Connor?
Yeah.
I need this XP because I'm trying to unlock the auction house. It's impossible. You have to literally be up 24/7.
That sucks.
I play this game all the time.
Can we take turns doing shoot arounds and stuff?
I don't love to shoot around. Oh, yeah. Okay. 1 sec. I'm waiting for it to load. Okay, so what do you have to do here? Oh, great. You have to dunk. That's impossible in this game.
I love dunking.
Oh, as I dunk. This guy's really short. I don't know how you dunk.
Dude, I did a dunk like this once. Dude, watch. I did it like this once.
Yeah, but that's in 17.
It was when...
For 3 buckets, bitch.
Was it paused?
Yeah. Sorry for cussing. Not really. Hey.
In my bank account, Mars.
Hey.
Is Daddy home? Is Daddy home?
You have one. Oh! What are you doing?
I don't know.
Carter doesn't know what he's doing right now. He's just flopping around on his bed. Ow! It just bit me.
No, I didn't. I did this.
I know. So,
Can I play this?
next one. Wow. Sorry for your ears, guys. Connor, stop.
Shoot.
Usually all my videos are 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Be quiet. Please be quiet and don't do stuff like that.
Yeah, bruh.
Or say that ever again.
Okay.
It's really annoying when you say that. Who tapes their hockey stick like that? No, not anymore. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video here. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to.
Comment 121709 this space time.
And I'm out.